和 ChatGPT 又轉將為南福建話耶誕節歌。The next song， 耶誕節快樂，耶誕節快樂，耶誕節快樂，新年快樂，幸福安康。
We wish you a Merry Christmas in a simplified form.
No, you are wrong.
I got it. Thanks for letting me know. I appreciate the clarification. If you'd like, feel free to share a bit more, or let me know any hints, and I'll do my best to guess it correctly. Let's keep having fun.
I give you a hint. 這條歌是用西班牙歌加英歌鬥陣來唱嘅。
That's a helpful hint. With that mix of Spanish and English, it sounds like it could be Feliz Navidad by Jose Feliciano. It's a really popular holiday song that blends both languages beautifully. Thanks for the clue. Feliz Navidad by Jose Feliciano was released in 1970. It's definitely become a holiday classic over the decades.
耶誕快樂，也高誕嘅耶誕節，連浪裏邊跟得小波真心告別，但是你跟得不聽笑話呢？高誕嘅耶誕節，耶誕節快樂，邊仔仔定時愛企落嚟了。話了歡好聲，跟他是一剎那呀。
This one sounds like it's Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas. It's such a warm and heartfelt classic.
It's Lonely Christmas by Ethan Chan. The game has ended.